Okay, this is global properties that we have right here. You notice it's fast population mode is enabled, and this is kind of fast to work with particles. If you want more accuracy, you want uncheck. However, after you do this, you want to recompute, and it will apply a little bit slower, but it's apply a little bit more accurate. Most time you want to use it for the particles preview fast population mode. Okay, next, the other ones is similar to the ecosystem. Some of them will be displayed disabled. So let's look on the tab and look on optimization, and we'll come back to the particles itself. First, density, you see the different, it's have emission flow now. We also can select it by populating once or flow constantly. We can connect this obviously to the function and drive this by the function. Density, when we start work with water, we'll want pop-up density all the way up, or very few just when we're experimenting. The also 360 degrees will work very well, and as some particles you want to do this, so you want to emit in all directions, because currently if we take our plane and rotating, you will notice that population happen. Okay, let's go this way. Okay, we'll recompute, and you notice we don't have it any particles generating. So if we enable 360, okay, in this case it will start generating particles, and we have this motion going as well. Let me destroy this ventilator. Okay, so this is will affect with the populations and particles. So you can enable, if you have it like ball, and for example you want to go from all directions, so you can enable this. Also simple quality, the better is better quality and faster. We have also options how we want to populate underground, below ground, start originating, and other ones. You want to keep disabled decay near foreign object because it will increase quite a bit jump in render time if you enable these options. We can also use the variable density, so very similar to the ecosystem. We also have a few kind of exception. The next, we have it overall scaling as well. Notice that we don't have it a function driven for this. We have it proportions, how we keep it, direction from surface similar, and rotation. Rotation, if you're using particles that you want to see effect, you want to enable overall, this will increase kind of speed if you going down and reduce rotation, so to have less time render. As well, shrink at low density, you want to disable this and other options. Color, very similar with other ones, as well as a presence. Animations, it's kind of nice tab to have it, because if you using pre-animated objects as a particles, for example in butterflies we pre-animated wings on them, we don't want those butterflies flopping wings all the time, we want different. So using variable animations and offset, we can offset animations on them and make more random. For example, if you do bird flag, any insects flying or other pre-animation, you can have it offset and will affect, and you can see the different phases of animation, so it will create more natural look. Again, this is an animation that applied before, will apply to the particles as well. Okay, the one other things you notice right here, we have an ecosystem. So let's create another ecosystem. This time we'll go select the green ones, convert this to particles, and you notice right here we have it two different particle layers with our ecosystem, so we can modify it as well. You notice right here, for example, on one we can have it global. Okay, let's go to different layer, and right here minus 9.8. And if you notice with this material, even it's different layers but same material, this is will apply, okay, gravity 1, okay, and we have a different gravity. So with different layers you can apply it. However, this will apply only to same layer of materials, so we can have a different ones applied here or different materials, and these globals will apply to that setting.